22,925 square meters. It's a clean title at 350 pesos per square meter, negotiable. So singan aning kuan na ni, singan aning baryo ni Barangay Tipulo. So dool ra ni sa Ubay guys, very close from Ubay, Bohol. 2 kilometers and a half from the town proper of Ubay. So ano guys, it's a long concrete road. Water, electricity are available. So ay problem yun, ay problema. So there is a caretaker guys, mo na yung caretaker. So 2 hectares, 2.2 hectares plus guys ni. Ano siya? See? There are mango trees and several coconut trees. A northern part of Bohol province, 2 to 3 hours drive from Tagbilaran City and Panglao International Airport. Ubay has also a seaport for Cebu and Leyte province, Leyte Island. Then a first class municipality, and as I have heard, it is already a city. I-confirm mo na to kay mo ang istorya sa akong amigo guys, na syudad na kuno ang Ubay, mo na nagmahal na. Okay, pero basig wala pa ni mas syudad yun or unsa ba. For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. So adyo problema guys no, kay agianan sa mga sakyanan. Dool ra pud ni sa highway. O niya, provincial road gihapon ni. So electricity no problem. Niya mga linyas tubig gari deo. So function pa ning tubig ani te? Oo. Tubig. Oh, wala problema gid guys. Okay. So dool ra gyud siya sa kuan guys. Yeah, temporary running nga balay. So I repeat, it's 2.2 or 22,925 square meters at 350 pesos per square meter. 500 ni sa una guys, pero akin ni ios-os na gyud sila. So nindot kayo ni, very close from the town proper. Thank you and God bless to all. Happy viewing. Bye.